So, what happens when a growing community's needs just aren't being met by the market? Well, in Japan, that very question sparked a really innovative solution. We're going to dive into the story of JapanHalal, a digital platform that actually came out of a university's service report, and it was designed to solve a huge challenge for the country's Muslim population. Just imagine for a second. You're trying to find food that fits your diet, but you're in a new country, and you have to do this every single day. For Japan's growing Muslim community, we're talking residents, students, and workers, this is their constant reality. And while seeing a halal store like this one is a welcome sight, the truth is they're pretty few and far between. So let's really get to the core of this challenge. Okay, so what exactly makes finding halal products in Japan so difficult? It turns out it's not just one single issue. The report this is all based on highlights a whole chain of interconnected problems that affect everyone, from the person just trying to buy dinner to the businesses trying to serve them. First and foremost is the simple lack of availability. Finding certified halal products is tough, especially once you get outside of the major cities like Tokyo or Osaka. And this scarcity makes it incredibly difficult for individuals and families to consistently maintain their dietary practices. Then you've got the logistical puzzle. The supply chain for halal goods in Japan is often, well, a tangled mess. This inefficiency means that even when the products do exist somewhere in the country, getting them to consumers is a huge challenge. And that leads to higher prices and, you guessed it, empty shelves. And finally, there's a big information gap. Without a standardized, transparent system for halal certification in Japan, there's a lot of confusion. And that lack of clear, reliable information, well, it really starts to erode consumer trust, making people hesitant, wondering if a product is truly halal. So when you combine all of these issues, you get what the report calls a fragmented halal ecosystem. Basically, it's a market where a clear and growing demand is being met with a broken system of supply. And that leaves a huge gap just waiting to be filled. So how do you even begin to fix a fragmented ecosystem like that? In this case, it all started with a powerful partnership. And this wasn't just a business venture, it was a strategic collaboration designed to build a real solution from the ground up. This partnership was built on what you could call a perfect synergy. On one side, you had Telkom University bringing the academic rigor and the tech development know-how. On the other side, you had Sariraya Co. Ltd., who just happens to be Japan's largest halal supplier, providing that deep industry knowledge and an established distribution network. It's a real powerhouse combination. And here they are, the people who actually turn this whole plan into action. This photo captures the joint team from Telkom University and Sariraya, united by that one shared goal, to bridge a critical gap in Japan's market. With that partnership firmly in place, the focus turned to the solution itself. So how exactly did this team transform their vision into a tangible, digital tool that people could actually use? Let's take a look. The result of all their work is this: JapanHalal. It's a clean, user-friendly digital marketplace specifically designed from day one to be a comprehensive, one-stop platform for all the community's needs. Now, the platform's real innovation is its dual-level design. For consumers, it's a simple marketplace to find what they need. But behind the scenes, it's also a powerful supply chain tool for business partners, optimizing everything from inventory to logistics. It's a complete end-to-end system. And the platform is absolutely packed with features designed to build trust and create a seamless experience. It supports multiple languages, has secure payments, and allows user reviews. Crucially, it also includes a locator to find physical stores and restaurants, and it provides totally transparent information on product certifications. A great-looking platform is one thing, but what was its real-world impact? Did it actually work? Let's see how this digital concept created tangible, real benefits for the community. The project's success was really rooted in its community-centric approach. These images show the team engaging directly with members of the Muslim community in Ishikawa. This was never just about building technology. It was about understanding and serving the very people who would use it every day. And the results were significant. The platform dramatically improved access to halal products. It also empowered local businesses and small to medium enterprises, strengthened the entire supply chain, and, importantly, helped rebuild consumer trust through transparency. It even laid a foundation for supporting Japan's growing halal tourism sector. And this success isn't just an anecdote. The project's entire methodology and its incredible results were documented and published in an international scientific journal. This gives some serious academic validation to the real-world impact of their work. So what does all this mean for the future? Well, the JapanHalal platform is far more than just an app or a website. It's a foundational building block for the entire future of the halal ecosystem in Japan. This quote, which comes from the project's journal publication, really summarizes the broader significance perfectly. This project is a model for how academic research and industry expertise can come together to build digital economies that are not only efficient, but also inclusive and ethical. Ultimately, the Japan Halal project serves as a powerful model for using technology to solve a fundamental human need. It leaves us with a critical question to think about. In an increasingly interconnected world, where else can we leverage collaborations like this to bridge critical gaps and build stronger, more inclusive communities for everyone?
Mungkin ada Juna dan Sri Kandi.
Cuma lambang.
Ya bahasa Jawanya nepangaken lah. Saya Wahyu dari Purwokerto. Kebetulan kampusnya sama dengan Pak Umar. Kalau Pak Umar TLU Bandung, saya dan istri saya Bu Anggun ini TLU tapi di Purwokerto. Nanti kalau pas kondur di Indonesia mampir Purwokerto, ya saya sudah mampir ke sini. Monggo Bapak-bapak semuanya berkenan mampir ke kampus. Jadi silaturahminya terjaga. Ya pertama saya kula nuwun ke sini ke Arjuna Kanazawa Bapak semuanya. Kebetulan saya dan Pak Umar ada program pengabdian masyarakat di Nagoya ya.
Nagoya.
Di Nagoya di Sariraya tentang apa sih marketplace untuk halal food gitu lah katanya. Nah sekalian saya silaturahmi ke Arjuna Kanazawa juga. Pertama ya silaturahmi, yang kedua barangkali alhamdulillah senang ya ternyata ketemu saudara sendiri di luar negeri gitu karena kalau kita keluar negeri apalagi kalau ke Jepang lihatnya yang sipit-sipit semuanya gitu, sekarang lihat wah ini kayaknya balane dewek gitu. Rasanya kan ya rasanya apa ya ketemu saudara lah. Jadi mungkin ke depan juga nanti saya harap juga kapan-kapan main ke sini lagi kita bisa ada kolaborasi lagi
yang lain
ya, Pak Umar yang lain. Siap. Dengan bapak-bapak semuanya dan monggo kalau sekali lagi kalau nanti pas kondur ke Indonesia gitu,
terima kasih.
Atau punya adik, punya anak, punya saudara mau kuliah di Purwokerto deket-deket semuanya gitu. Tegal, Brebes, Pekalongan, Batang gitu. Nanti bisa kontak saya lah, monggo gitu. Gitu. Kalau punya anak saudara atau bahkan putra-putrinya kalau mau kuliah di Purwokerto di Telkom University kontak aja gitu. Mungkin itulah dari saya, Bapak semuanya salam kenal. Semoga silaturahminya tetap terjaga, terjalin. Matur nuwun semuanya, assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pak Wildan, monggo. Oh, wajib ngomong di sini Pak. Maka di sini Bang Sahat ya Bang ya.